The Hatz R5 Glühkopf motor is a classic example of German engineering from the mid-20th century. Designed as a robust, hot bulb stationary engine. Produced by Motor & Fabrik Hatz, a company well known for its reliable diesel and stationary engines, the R5 was specifically built for agricultural, industrial, and maritime applications where durability and simplicity were essential. The term Glühkopf motor refers to the hot bulb ignition system, a technology widely used before diesel engines became dominant. In this design, a bulb-shaped chamber is preheated with a blowtorch, allowing the injected fuel to ignite from the retained heat. Once started, the engine continues to run steadily and can handle a variety of low-grade fuels, making it extremely versatile in rural and remote areas. The Hatz R5 typically features a single-cylinder, slow-running construction with a large flywheel that ensures smooth power delivery at low revolutions. Its design prioritizes strength and longevity, with heavy cast-iron components and simple mechanics that require minimal maintenance. Today, surviving examples of the R5 Glühkopf motor are highly valued by collectors and enthusiasts. They represent not only a fascinating stage in the evolution of internal combustion technology, but also a reminder of an era when reliability and mechanical ingenuity were at the heart of everyday machinery. A symphony of engines blending together harmoniously. Instead of traditional instruments, the performers are powerful engines, each with its own distinctive mechanical sound. When the engines start, the deep roar of the diesel engines blends with the steady hum of the old stationary engines, creating a drum-like background. Over this background, softer sounds emerge from the smaller engines, humming and clicking like violins or trumpets in an orchestra. The beauty of the performance lies not only in the sound, but also in the rhythm. Some engines run steadily, maintaining a steady tone, while others burst into short, powerful bursts that echo the structure of a classical piece. The driver and operator act as conductors, adjusting the throttle and rhythm to keep the harmony alive. What emerges is more than just noise. It is a mechanical choir that celebrates engineering, tradition, and community. The chorus of pistons, valves, and exhaust pipes transforms into music that is both raw and powerful. Manöver Austria 2022 proves that machines, when brought together with passion and precision, can sing as beautifully as any orchestra. The Cummins KTA50 is a powerful member of Cummins' heavy-duty K series, engineered to deliver high performance and reliability in demanding industrial and power generation applications. Designed as a V-type, 16-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel engine with a displacement of 50.3 liters, the KTA50 exemplifies the brand's reputation for strength and durability. In specific configurations, such as the KTA50G9 generator drive model, it can provide up to 2,220 horsepower at 1,800 RPM for standby power, making it an essential choice for large-scale operations requiring dependable energy. One of the defining features of the KTA50 is its aspiration system. The engine is turbocharged and aftercooled, as reflected in the KTA designation, which ensures higher power density, improved efficiency, and cooler operation under heavy loads. This design allows it to perform reliably even in harsh environments, from continuous industrial work to critical power generation. The KTA50 is also equipped with the proven Cummins PT fuel system, renowned for its precise fuel delivery and efficiency. Its construction emphasizes durability, incorporating dual resist pistons and replaceable wet cylinder liners that simplify maintenance while extending service life. These features collectively ensure that the engine can operate for long hours with minimal downtime, a critical factor in both industrial production and backup power supply. Overall, the Cummins KTA50 is a benchmark of engineering excellence, combining immense power with long-lasting reliability. Its ability to sustain high performance while minimizing maintenance challenges has made it a trusted solution across industries worldwide. The Maybach MD16V Diesel refers to the family of diesel engines developed by Maybach for German locomotives in the post-war era. Most notably, the DB Class 5160 diesel hydraulic locomotives introduced in the 1960s were powered by the Maybach MD 16-volt 538 terabytes engine. This V16 diesel engine produced high power output and was specifically designed for railway applications, combining compact dimensions with robust performance. The V160 locomotives equipped with this engine played a crucial role in modernizing the German Federal Railway, providing reliable service for both passenger and freight operations. The diesel hydraulic transmission system allowed the engine's mechanical energy to be transferred smoothly through a hydraulic drive to the wheels, ensuring efficiency and reduced mechanical wear. Overall, the Maybach MD16V diesel family symbolizes German engineering excellence, delivering durability and performance in one of Europe's most important locomotive series. At the Bowers Show, visitors are treated to a truly unique collection of rare and exclusive engines, many of which are seldom seen outside of specialized gatherings. The exhibition brings together enthusiasts, collectors, and mechanics, each proudly showcasing engines that reflect both technical ingenuity and historical significance. Among the highlights is the Maybach Diesel, a compact but powerful piece admired for its robust design and smooth running performance. Alongside it, a selection of custom rigs and classic hit-and-miss engines capture attention with their distinctive mechanical rhythm, harking back to the early days of stationary power. Equally intriguing is the Panzer engine, exhibited by Rob King, which stands out for its unusual configuration and custom-built details. For visitors interested in experimental engineering, the Quad Zoto and the twin-cylinder prototypes present inventive solutions and creative craftsmanship. The show also features a United generator, which, despite its humble appearance, impresses with its reliable one-handed start demonstration. Accompanying this are vintage lawnmowers and other small-scale machines, reflecting the diversity of mechanical innovation across different eras. Moments of excitement occur when multiple custom engines, such as Missy, Frank, and Flora, are all running simultaneously, filling the air with the sound and motion of classic power. What makes the Bowers Show so special is not just the machinery, but the dedication of the people behind them. Each startup, adjustment, or repair becomes part of the live experience, allowing spectators to witness both the challenges and rewards of keeping these rare engines alive. The exhibition is more than a display. It is a celebration of engineering heritage, creativity, and community, offering a rare opportunity to explore engines that are as unique as the stories they carry. The Thomasson Stand Motor is a stationary engine manufactured by the Dutch company Thomasson. As a fixed engine, it is designed to power immobile equipment such as pumps, generators, or other types of industrial machinery by converting fuel into mechanical work. The stand motor provided a reliable source of power in factories and other industrial environments. Unlike mobile engines, it was not intended for transport or vehicles, but rather for continuous, on-site operation. Its robust design and durability made it a valuable asset in early industrial power solutions, reflecting Thomasson's engineering expertise and contribution to stationary engine development. Blackstone oil engine, particularly the 1909 10 horsepower model, represents an important stage in the development of stationary power for agriculture and industry in the early 20th century. Originally manufactured by R&H Blackstone Limited, a company based in Stamford, England, these engines were known for their durability, steady performance, and ability to operate on heavy oil fields. They were widely used in rural communities, where they powered machinery, mills, and water pumps, significantly reducing the reliance on manual labor or animal power. One notable example is the 1909 10HP Blackstone oil engine that was employed to pump water from a river to a market garden. For many years, it served faithfully in this role, providing the essential irrigation that enabled crop cultivation. However, in the 1920s, the engine's operation was interrupted when it was sabotaged by someone who detonated explosives inside the cylinder. Despite the damage, the engine was repaired with the installation of a new cylinder and placed back into service. It continued to operate successfully until it eventually fell into disuse. Over the decades, the engine was subjected to multiple river floods that submerged it and gradually buried much of its structure in silt. By the time it was recovered in the 1990s, it had been neglected for many years. Yet, its robust design allowed restoration to be possible. In 1997, the engine was dismantled, carefully cleaned, and started again, roaring back to life nearly 90 years after its original commissioning. Today, the 1909 Blackstone oil engine stands as a living artifact of engineering heritage. Its survival and restoration highlight both the resilience of early industrial machinery and the dedication of enthusiasts who preserve these mechanical treasures for future generations. The Lister CS12 Hatz is a vintage twin-cylinder stationary diesel engine that represents one of the finest examples of British engineering from the classic Lister CS range. Designed as a reliable cold start engine, it delivers 12 horsepower at a steady 650 RPM, making it ideal for continuous stationary power applications. Its water-cooled system ensures long-term operation under heavy loads, while features such as indirect injection, replaceable cylinder liners, and durable cast-iron pistons highlight its robust and practical design. Although many examples have fallen into disuse, including derelict units left exposed to the elements, the CS12 halves remains highly regarded by collectors and enthusiasts. Its smooth running characteristics, mechanical simplicity, and reputation for longevity make it a sought-after piece in the world of vintage diesel engines. Beyond its historical charm, it also demonstrates the ingenuity of early 20th century stationary power solutions. Even in derelict condition, the CS12 halves can often be restored thanks to the availability of specialized parts such as oil pump assemblies, governor linkages, and complete gasket sets for overhauling. For many enthusiasts, bringing one of these engines back to life is not only a technical challenge, but also a tribute to a true workhorse of industrial history. The LPG-powered hit-and-miss engine is a classic stationary engine modified to run on liquefied petroleum gas instead of gasoline or kerosene. Retaining its traditional intermittent firing cycle, the engine hits on the power stroke and misses by idling for one or more strokes, ensuring remarkable fuel efficiency. Operating at very low revolutions per minute, it maintains smooth and steady performance. This adaptation allows the vintage design to continue powering pumps, generators, or farm machinery with a modern, reliable, and readily available fuel.